Yesterday I started work on the right side of the glasses. The battery side's got to hold two components. The battery and the power boost that boosts it from 3 volts to 5. I originally planned to package them stacked like this, but I realized they'd be really thick. I decided to put them side by side like this to make it as thin as possible. I modeled it in Fusion 360 on the opposite side of the arm so that it'll go on the other side of your head. Printed it. Here's what it looks like compared to the other one. It's small. Too small, actually. I fixed the model, printed it again, made some more observations about how it could fit better. Made some more adjustments, and I printed it again. I picked this third one up at the lab this morning and realized it still had some problems, like this hole disappeared. After making these 3 versions, today I realized that I need to make an extra circuit board so that the switch can fit more nicely. I've been using this bulky switch on the power boost. The casing alone hangs 5 millimeters off the edge of the power boost, making it a lot bigger. So talking with my buddy Raph, I decided that I needed to put a surface mount switch onto a new circuit board and attach that circuit board to the back side of the power boost. I found this switch on Abra's website, exported the footprint of the power boost from Eagle to an image, and then drew my circuit in Inkscape on top. I milled it, and here's what it looks like. It fits on the back of the power boost like this. The surface mount switch will go on the right, and it'll connect with pins through to the same connectors. That'll let me move the switch to the bottom side. You'll be able to charge and connect it to the computer with the 3.5 millimeter cable on this side. And instead of having a hole for the switch on the bottom, that switch will be beneath the micro USB. Today I'm feeling like electronics takes a really long time. I'm not sure if the new switch is really that useful or important to the project. I think for the first version of the glasses, really the switch could be just about anything. I nearly ordered a whole other part. A 3.5 millimeter jack sending power from one side of the enclosure to the other is the biggest part that makes my cases the thickest, thicker than any other piece I'm using. A surface mount one, it turns out, would be much smaller. Abra doesn't have any, so I almost bought some from DigiKey. These cute pink ones that are $2 and are much smaller than the one I'm using. I tried to design the circuit in Eagle originally, and it was super frustrating. You can't just copy paste the design of the power boost and start drawing on top of it, and I just couldn't figure out how to do it. So I punted and just exported an image and worked on it in Inkscape. The circuit was really simple, so it didn't matter at all, it turns out. That's it. Here's some tweets.
Did you see what I done? Came in the black Benz, left in the white one.